Hi there, my name is Tom. Welcome back to Covea. It's a beautiful sunny day here and we are looking at a trial test run for two conveyors, the EK1200 and the EK900, for a customer of ours in the recycling industry. Here we have the EK1200 and the EK900 currently being tested. This system will allow the client to load in 1100 litre bins into the conveyor, the EK1200, which will then feed up into the picking belt, which will allow the customer to separate waste by pickers. After one of our experts visited on site for an assessment, our engineers configured and adjusted the system specifically for the customer's needs. Please feel free to contact us for all of your conveyor needs. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you.